from the upcoming teasers shown off at WWDC 2026, reports suggest that there are 3 more unannounced features coming with iOS 27. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. In the Power On newsletter, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman said Apple is working on a new watch face, a customizable camera app, and functionality for third-party chatbots within Siri. Gurman said he's unsure why these features weren't shown off at the event, but some of them are confirmed as they already exist within the developer beta for iOS 27. According to Gurman, a new watch face will likely arrive when Apple refreshes its smartwatches in the fall. Previous rumors suggested that an upcoming watch face could be based on the modular Ultra option, but that's exclusive to the Apple Watch Ultra, or one more that's simplified and designed for the other Apple Watch products. Similarly, Gurman expects the updated camera app to debut alongside an expected iPhone 18 Pro announcement that could arrive in the fall. This feature isn't currently available in the iOS 27 developer beta, but Gurman previously reported that a new camera app could let you choose exactly what functions appear and where they're placed in the app. While Apple Intelligence was a major focus of WWDC 2026, Apple's still working on a feature that would allow for third-party chatbot integration within Siri. The idea involves letting Siri users switch easily from its default app intelligence to other models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Currently, the iOS 27 developer beta only allows switching between Siri and ChatGPT, but Gurman said that the list of options will get longer in the future. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.